First rates, I'll let the screen do all the talking here right now. And the first rates are 28 points down for the Nifty. We are starting with a positive market breadth. It's pretty much even Steven, and you've got a lot of green actually in real estate, a lot of green in pharmaceutical. There is a lot of green across the board, if I may say so, in terms of where directionally the market breadth is moving. Now, what are the big news makers? Yes Bank up 0.5%. You've got not too many newsmakers actually. Let's look at Maruti and Aditya Birla Capital, because those are two stocks where brokerages have really initiated a buy. HDFC Bank, big volume there, but no big change in price action. HDFC TCS, big volume there, no change in price action. Cochin Shipyard, volume there, but again no price action. ABB, volume there, no price action. Very few names are really, popping up in terms of any steep appreciation. Century Textile, news driven, and then there is constructive price action once again in Jupiter Wagons, which has got to do with railway and wagon manufacturing.
Okay, a couple of other names which are in focus then this morning. Let's see what SBI Cards is up to. Remember, we just flagged off that total spends for credit cards has grown nearly about 3% month on month, versus 2.7% month on month for the sector. SBI Cards holds up 1% as we speak right now. Century Textiles, wherein Birla Trimaya Phase 1, 100% has been sold out within a span of just 36 hours. That stock gaps up 3.25% as we speak right now. Aditya Birla Capital, wherein Jefferies has initiated a buy, target price of 215. Eicher Motors, active stock from yesterday. Jefferies maintained a buy, hiked the target price to 41.50. Marginal follow through on that stock. They signed as well, wherein Morgan Stanley has upgraded the stock now to an overweight, up the target price to 2,000 rupees from the earlier 1550. And then Shyam Metalics as well, which has announced its entry into energy storage sector. That stock should be seeing a move 0.5% higher as we speak right now. Suzlon, Dilip Shangvi and Associates have terminated the Feb 2020 shareholders agreement. That stock is down 2.5% right now. And then Tech Mahindra, wherein Morgan Stanley has downgraded the stock now to an underweight and has hiked the target price, however, to 12.10 from the earlier 1,060. So these are a couple of stocks which are in focus this morning. Besides that, I just want to revisit what Voltamp as well is up to, wherein the promoters are looking to sell a 12% stake at 46.33 via a block. This happened yesterday, wherein Oxbow and Kotak Mutual Fund have been buyers here. There's also, Borosil Renewables, that also has, quashed the Bombay High Court tax demand notice. So this is one stock that you may want to look out for. There's M as well. News just came out that MSPL and 20L are looking to sell the Sustainable Energy Infra Trust units up to about 900 crore rupees via an OFS, flat for M&M as we speak right now. And then Adani Ports as well, which has commenced the cash tender offer to buy back about $195 million of 2024 bonds. These are a couple of stocks which are in focus. There's, by the way, Pratap Snacks as well, wherein the GST authorities have conducted a search and seizure at their manufacturing units in Bangalore. So these are a couple of stocks which are on our radar. But pretty much a no-go for the index. It started off very quiet. 19,629 is where we're currently at. Idea, Dixon, Colgate, these were your big movers yesterday. So just want to revisit some of these names. Today, of course, it's all about Individuals Housing. Cipla, which is holding up 1%. Manappuram is looking good by about 1%. Granules is up 1.25%. And AB Capital is your biggest mover with that 1.7% move. By the way, you may also want to look out for Vedanta. That's gapped down this morning. There's a Moody's downgrade of the corporate family ratings on Vedanta Resources. That stock is down 4.5% on the futures, 4% lower on the spot market.